is supposed to be called in the next few days, possibly in the month of March. Normally हे session July महिन्यात जाताले. So आम्ही स्पीकरा लागी बरोयतले उलोयतले की हे session लांब जावपाक जाय. Minimum of at least 25 working days. जे इश्यू आमकां घेवपाक जाय ते इश्यू लोकांले डिस्कस करपाक सारखे हेजेर म्हाका दिसता एक डिस्कशन जावपाक जाय. तर आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो हो under this banner we are going to move. It is an outreach program which the Congress MLAs, the Congress party, frontal organizations, all of us will, I'm making an appeal, and we decide that the issues that needs to be highlighted, issues that need to be taken in the issues, there is a mobile number 7498254726 and एक email address connectwithgoaclp@gmail.com. This budget session is possibly the last budget session, after which we might have possibly another session for a small gap, small number of days. Then nantar we are all going to go for elections. Now, our blocks, our frontal organizations, our MLAs, our party feels that we have to go to various districts, connect with people. So definitely, although the session is not being announced, we feel that we have to go connect with the people, and our effort is to reach to every Goan, every house, and through the medium of the press. म्हाका दिसता लोकालो आवाज हो असेंब्लीन पावपाक जाय. We will all unitedly work with the opposition members as well. So unitedly we will work together, share our views, share the views of the people, and unitedly take this particular strategy. So war programs of we will put it out where our MLAs, party representatives will also move around. And our appeal is to Goenkars, what issue that needs to be raised. Because today, if we look currently, budget allocations, there seems to be nothing special for the state of Goa. Although the Chief Minister had a bag full of almost 6,000 crores of demands in various sectors, tourism sector, in GAD, various sectors. But double engine Sarkar has failed Goa and Goans. Aaj the issue of crimes, murders, rapes, dacoity is sogle वाढलेले आसा. Daily we can see the ST issue, Chimbelkar, जावं दुसरे वाड्यांनी वाठारांनी लोकांले इश्यू जाता, उदकाचे इश्यू आहा, रस्त्याचे इश्यू आहा, लायटीचे इश्यू आहा. So whatever mediums we get, we are going to make sure that these issues are highlighted. Unemployment, सगळे youth, युवा आज are bekar. We are the highest unemployed state. These figures are alarming. या सरकाराक फक्त इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट करपाक जाय, फक्त इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट. टुडे वी आर हियरिंग दॅट सरकार तुमच्या दारीन अनेक इव्हेंट पोंडाच्या गांवांत हिंगा म्हाका दिसता लोक ताका कितें दाखोवन दितात. हे सरकार तुमच्या दारीच्या नांवान 12.5 कोटीचो इव्हेंट, 12.5 कोटीचो देस्पेज, लोकांले पयशे. हे पयशे म्हाका दिसता जे पड पयलीं तांकां सांगलेलें सरकार तुमच्या दारीन, हे तेजे कितें फॉलोअप जालां कांयच ना. आनी हे इलेक्शन स्ट्रॅटेजी जेन्ना आतां पोंडाच्या गांवांत इलेक्शन जाता, फक्त पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न लोकांलो. डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, द वे वी स्पोक ड्युरिंग द गव्हर्नर्स एड्रेस, फक्त हे मिनिस्टर प्रिपेर जायनासतना येता, फक्त फोटाशे मारता. मुखेलमंत्री फक्त म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यो टॅबलेट्यो दिता, लोकांक सारकें मार्गदर्शन जायना, सारखे लोकांले इश्यू रिझॉल्व जायना. हे ऑपोजिशनाच्या आमदारा विरुद्ध जे आहे तेच भायर रुलिंगाचे आज प्रश्न घालता. सो वी विल ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट द स्पीकर that the priority needs to be given to the opposition. एक प्रथा हल्ली, एक oppositionचे question, एक rulingचे question. These issues will be taken. The way today Goa is being destroyed and a 10-point charter is being made, enough is enough. We spoke about it, all three of us spoke in the assembly. Of Goa's carrying capacity needs to be defined. Of the way आज conversion, destruction, hill cutting जाता, land conversion जाता. This is not in the interest of the state. काहींची carrying capacity check कोणासतना आज हो सरकार गोंय पाड घालपाचो प्रयत्न हो सरकार करता. जो बीजेपीचो नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट आयलो त्याने स्टेटमेंट केलो की काँग्रेसाच्या वेळार इतले करप्शन जाले, फाटले आहले तेंका म्हाका दिसता शॉक बसलो. कित्याक आज जोड जोड 10 आहले ते काँग्रेसाचे सिनियर लीडर आहले ते आज बीजेपीत आसा. आज बिट्स पिलानीचेर जेन्ना लास्ट सेशन बाब कालुसान बिट्स पिलानीचेर मुखेलमंत्री को अश्युरन्स घेतलेले आनी सांगलोले जॉइंट क्वेश्चन आहले आमगेले अबाउट क्राइम्स एंड क्रिमिनल. It is shocking to see that forensic reports of the past suicides are still not with the government. They have made no attempt to make sure. Then what is the reason? Swiggy che regular drugs gen dullo mo sangrale. I charge that close to Bits Pilani there is a liquor joint. Tinga close within 100 meters. That is the place where drugs are being supplied. That is the place where this activity is happening. And ये आये मुखेलमंत्रीच्या दोळ्या मुखार हो इश्यू घेतलेलो and I said the supply is happening there from there and who this belongs to a leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So yes, सगळे तितून शामिल आहेत. Police need to act immediately. We have no trust in the police. आज why this type of murders, rape, dacoity, suicide never happens. Why is it happening? CAG जे point out केला जे violation time and over again आम्ही सदांच म्हणता मुखेलमंत्री सांगता की अरे बाबा you are FRBM Actaचे जे in violation of FRBM Act. This government is in a financial crisis. No issue on Madaiचे जे फक्त लीगल डिपार्टमेंट कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे डिस्पेस करून टुडे this government is the same government that compromised Madai. This was said by the Home Minister Amit Shah. आज और सरकार म्हणताय तो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार. लास्ट टाइम they denied us जे आम्ही कॅबिनेट मिटिंगेच्यो कॉपी मागलोल्यो. There is nothing secret in it. यो पोस्ट फॅक्टो सरकार आणि या सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता एक्सपोज करपाक युनाइटेडली टेकिंग दी ऑपोजिशन टुगेदर वी विल मेक शुअर दॅट वी एक्सपोज दिस गव्हर्नमेंट. आज वी आर कॉन्फिडंट ऑल्सो दॅट द कमिंग इलेक्शन जावं कॉर्पोरेशनाचे इलेक्शन वी स्पोक द CLP spoke about the municipal elections, about the coming Ponda by-election. So all these we have considered. It was a long meeting. We sat for almost more than an hour and a half. आणि आवाज तुमचो सांगात आमचो या बॅनरा खाली आम्ही आमची पार्टी and all the people of Goa, I feel from whatever parts of Goa, we will make sure that we get issues and highlight this because during question hour or LAQ galpa format as hota, there we are time bound. So definitely we are starting this early, much before the session is being even announced. And whatever needs to be done, I think unitedly taking all the people into confidence, we will make sure that we basically grill this government.
तुम्ही तालुका वाईज मीटिंग घेतलाय कॉन्फरन्स?
No, so exactly आम्ही पहिले गेले. Now this is an outreach program. There are frontal organizations, parties, block presidents, MLAs, MPs, all of us unitedly. We will make sure that we have to expose whatever information we get. Because during demands, this is the time we get to speak. So all of us will take roles together and make sure that we be the voice in the assembly.
You hope it will be a long session?
No, I knowing this government, I believe that they want the least under 306 suspension of rules they suspend करीत आसा. So minimum एक 25 working days session आसपाक जाय. Today you cannot curtail the session, and the speaker during BAC has also told us that it will be one of the longer session. I think the speaker was a part of a delegation in which they resolved that in a year minimum 30 days session जावपाक जाय. It has never happened in the state of Goa. But all the speakers, when they met, I believe last month, they had a convention. And there they said that all across the country, 30 minimum days session aspak jay. Ya sarkarak maka tori disna, ye biheta. They are scared that we will expose their corruption, that we will expose all their wrongdoing. But definitely, as it is our right, and we have asked the speaker and we asked the chief minister and the government, because they decide the number of days. So that we want a longer session.
So आवाज तुमचा सांगा तर आमचं. So what you are demanding? You are calling out the people with the issue or?
No, definitely people's issues we as I said, connect with goaclp@gmail.com. That is the email address. Also there is a phone number 7498254726. Issues that need to be taken up could be given on that. At the same time, we will also travel in the state of Goa, explaining to the people and giving them dates and taking their issues to be highlighted.
One more thing is that coming on the other issue, to me, time and again, the grand opposition alliance such a Udele last time and again. Any thoughts like though it is to the on
No.
CM face or what it is,
See, grand opposition alliance, Mare. Grand opposition alliance is something where all the MLAs in the opposition feel that it has to happen in the interest of the state. At least elected members feel the same. Today, I'm talking about the elected members. Every political party has their own agenda. Today, as MLAs in the Goa Legislative Assembly, cutting differences or our political differences, we have made sure that we've exposed this government. Together, it is grand opposition, MLAs exposing the government. The credit does not go to a single person. Anik, AJ credit is because as Goenkar manus avadta. That is why this government is exposed. They will try to divide us, but we have made sure that what comes first is the interest of the state, and in that interest we have moved forward. दुसरें तूं पडलें कितें CM बी पड कितें जाता म्हाका दिसता चोय CM कोण जातलो केन्ना जातलो कितें जातलें तें कोणाच्यान सांगूंक जायना. एक लोकां कडेन पावर, इट इज द पिपल्स पावर. वेन आय से पीपल पावर, पयलीं मरे शिता फुडें मीठ आमी खावप ना. दुसरें, वी हॅव टू गेट इलेक्टेड फर्स्ट, not selected. First get elected. After we get elected, our party has within ourselves, we discuss who is going to be the leader. So, थोड्यांक ते CM जावपाचे आनी कितें जावपाचे म्हाका दिसता सद्याक गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय. आनी गोंय जरी जर आमी सारकें एकठांय नाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मागीर गोंय सांबाळपाचें उरपाना. द डिस्ट्रक्शन दॅट दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज करंटली डुईंग, CM मागीरचे, इट इज कोणागे हितू बरयलो पळया ते कोणाच्यान व्हरो जायना. एक दुसरें, you have to be connected with the people. The Congress party today is connected with the people. MLA जावपाक artificial intelligence नाका, grassroots connectivity आसपाक जाय. I am proud that my MLAs today, when we work, we were able to retain our seats in the Zilla Parishad. We went to the people. During Captain Viriato's election, we went on the ground. They were in charges of both the parliamentary seats. They did the hard work. We went, taking our party and our presidents and our block presidents and the Congress worker together. So definitely I thank our MLAs as well for the leadership skills that they showed. For us winning South, everybody said, ना रे यार किती जातले 30,000 कोण म्हणटाले 30,000 पेढे जाते 40,000 पेढे जाते. But we showed, and all of us that are here together feel that it is the CLP's view that we have to unitedly fight. We cannot divide ourselves. And this view was discussed also with the highest party, that is when I was in Delhi. I discussed these views of mine with the highest leadership with Kharge ji, with Rahul Gandhi ji, with KC Venugopal ji, our desk in charge, that Goa today, if we divide ourselves, we are going to lose. Let us look at Goa first, and the issues, this is the first requirement is that we have to be united and definitely take everyone together. The Congress party is the principal opposition party. It is our role as possibly the parents within the opposition to make sure we take everyone. In the house we have taken, now it is high time, and you will see ki आता जायत election जातले, पणजेचे corporation जातले, municipal election जातले. That is not on party line, but as I said, जे पडे sensible मुनीस आज मुखार सरलेले आहे. Congress party together with all such individuals should go forward, make sure that the BJP is sent home.
But why then, when you talk about grand opposition alliance, then why your president is hesitating to comment on this? That is one thing. And second thing, when we talk about ZP, all three of you managed to get your ZPs elected. But yesterday the president said we all work together. What it is?
No. See, what happens is first about the Grand Opposition Alliance. ही एक नवी सुरुवात जावपाक जाय, गोंयांत जावपाक जाय. In the past, it has not happened. It is a difficult task. Every political party will think what suits them best. But in Goa's interest, I feel that there has to be a compromise. Compromise in the sense, where are our strongholds? Where are we weak? Where can we win unitedly? These are things that basically need to be seen together. I feel the Congress party as a whole, finally we are a democratic party. The president might have a view, I might have a view, our MLAs might have a view, but once a decision is made in the interest of the party, we have to stick to that interest. And that at this particular view, we are not like the BJP. No dictates are given to us. We have a right to rebel within the party platform. And we were all taken into, we discussed on certain candidates. Yes, there are things that went wrong. And that is the thing that we need to rectify. We could have won South Goa. But now these are things that I don't think I should put it in public domain. But we are confident that we should learn from our mistakes. And we will make sure that in 2027, Congress will give Goans a stable government.
गिरीबाब तुम्ही म्हणले की युनायटेड झगडपाक जाय म्हणून सो आतां आसतलें फोंडे इलेक्शन जे पार्टी रोडचे आसतले थंय कशें कितें आसतलें बिकॉज तो पयलीं आमी फाटीं पयलें की आम आदमीचे केजरीवाल येवन केले तुमची लिडर्स घेवपा आसता आनी ते सीट तुमी एक युनायटेड ओपोजिशन झगडटले.
Ponda AJ, first of all, the date is not announced. But I will, as leader of opposition, make an appeal. I make an appeal also to the other political parties within the state, within the opposition, that the fight has to be 1-1. 1-1, there is a fight we stand a very good chance. And the Congress party itself today in Ponda is strong. We are capable of winning this seat. Whatever Ravi Naik has done, no doubt, he was a congressman first, and whatever he has done, but today if you look, जाऊं hospital, जाऊं रस्ते, जाऊं sewage problem, yes, सगळे जरी जर आमचे इल्ल्या थिंगा आनी despite the Ponda Taluka having 4 MLAs from there, still there are so many things that need to be done. We will definitely speak to the other political parties, and the Congress party will definitely contest. And definitely the plan is to win. We are not here to do just to play an election. We are here to win. And whatever needs to be done to win that election, we will do.
There were some allegations as far as illegal activities of some of your party members are also involved. Congress members, what do you have to say?
What illegal activity?
Drugs and
What kind of drugs?
there were some allegations, even the former MLA in Kadama in the
We cannot. No, see, definitely that whatever part, I believe that is the party needs to take a call. I think ED cases, ED raid malate ulita. So definitely, I think the party has already taken a call on that particular matter. You will see this.
ओके पुन्हा कॅन्डिडेट तुमचा फायनल झाला
Candidate Kurpamari, there is a party, there is a system. Whoever I think is interested, I think we definitely have Rajesh already there in the race. He's already shown his. So there are other people, whoever are interested, I believe. The thing is, the cadre is ready. Let the election be announced. I believe the process has already started. People are meeting, all of us, as I speak to you. But the strategy, I will not put it out. But definitely we will win point. 100% we will win point.
काल तुमच्या अध्यक्षान हे घेतली प्रेस घेतली सो तो एका विशयाचेर उलयता म्हणजे काल आमी ताका विचारलेले सो फोंडाचे तेणी आमकां अजून कांय ठरोवंक ना म्हटलं आनी तुमी हांगा आयज सांगता की
चोय, तो कोण कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो तेजेर उलयलो न्हू. सो आमी काम करपाक बंद करपाचें. काम करपाक ऑलरेडी आहा न्हू कार्यकर्ता जाता थिंगा आतां तुगेले हॉस्पिटला इश्यू थिंगा सारके मेशिनरी ना, MRI मशीन ना, PET स्कॅन मशीन ना, कांयच सारकें ना. These issues we had raised it is a continued process. Let me tell you, there is no differences. Please do not put it out. There is no differences. I said we are a democratic party. I might have a different view. Elton might have a different view. Kalus might have a different view. But finally, the consensus is once the party takes a call, we stick to that. Definitely, Ponda, you will see that the Congress party will win with large numbers. A lot of people want to join the party. A lot of people are currently there. So whatever needs to be done, our desk in charge is also coming in a couple of days. In the interest of the party, taking people into confidence, we will take a call.
अलायन्स कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो
तिने सांगले मरे
There will be a Congress candidate. So whether the other political parties support or not, that you will see.
But you are talking about Grand Alliance, so would you get all together?
तुम्ही म्हटले की 1-to-1 जाऊ जाय म्हणून सो
this Ponda seat actually आमगेले काँग्रेसचा सीट कळना तुका. So it is our first aim to ask for that seat. आणि आमकां गेल्ले पाटी आमी उलयले ZP उलयले ड्युरिंग MP इलेक्शन. So along with our cadre, we will see that winnability also, and we will put our stake first because Congress thenge बाकीच्या कोणा ओळखाय ना थिंगा. So Congress will stake claim for that seat.
There is also rumor about Ketan Bhatikar.
To be united for the welfare of Goa. आमची स्वतः काँग्रेस पार्टी लागून पार्टी लागून आम गोंयकारां पासत एकठांय जावपाचो ते गोंयचे पासत हे अंडरस्टँड जावपाक गोंयकारांनी. You see, very important. We are not saying that other opposition काम कुनाय म्हणून, but आमगे principal opposition party Congress has always stood by Goa and Goans, and we will always be with Goans. गोंयचे पासत कळना तुका आमची स्वतः काँग्रेस पार्टी पासत न्हू. पार्टी देशा पासत गोंयचे पासत भरपूर बलिदान केला. So we will see that गोंयचे कितें बरें आहा तेका लागून मागतले. दिसतो कोणी येता आनी दिल्लीसून येता आनी सांगता आपण कॅन्डिडेट येतलो आमचे फार फुडा ते मरे लोक पिसना गोंयकार इलिटरेट न्हू लोकां भरपूर पण तो
तुमचे असता न्हू
लास्ट टाइम तुमचे इलेक्शन जाल्ले तेन्ना
कोण तो दिल्लीचो
दिल्लीसून कोण येता ते तुमकां प्रेस सगळे भाव आसलो मरे
आमकां खबर नाही
प्रेस खबर नासले आमकां तुमकां खबर आसा आमकां व्हडला तुमचे व्हडल्यार आमकां व्हडला.
तुम्ही जेन्ना दिल्लीचे उलयता तुमचे रिलेशन जाता की तुमचे पार्टी दिल्लीच्या कंट्रोलाक आहा.
तू केन्नाय आसपाना हे गेले पयले आलो कंट्रोल आलो ते सगळे तिन्यान धाडे आमी एक कंट्रोल आलो ते सगळे तिन्यान गेले धाडे कंट्रोल म्हणजे गोंयान गोंयकारांक आमी पयली गोंयचे चिंतपाक जाय. वी शूड अंडरस्टँड दॅट इट इज डेली डेफिनेटली इट्स अ नॅशनल पार्टी बट वी शूड टेल द नॅशनल लिडर्स दॅट वॉट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग हॅज टू बी इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन्स. गोंयकार पयले गोंय पयले हे आमगे मुद्दो हे जालें पयलीं कितें मिस्टेक केलो सोडप गोंय हेजे मुखार तरी इवन प्रेस आमी सगळे गोंयकार आमी सगळे डिफरन्स सोडून गोंयचे आमी पयलीं चिंतताय. सो गोंया वी हॅज टू बी ऑन द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. सो आमी सांगता ते मायकपाचें
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली तुमचो ह्योच रोल रावतलो
होय
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक.
येस गोवा फर्स्ट गोवा फर्स्ट.
त्यांच्या पयलीं म्युन्सिपालिटी इलेक्शन तेजे
युनिबाब आता मुख्यमंत्र्यान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन सांगला सरकार तुमच्या दारी हो परत 6 तारखेच्यान फोंडाच्यान सुरू जाता तांचो
हो सरकार तुमच्या दारी लोकांक पळा बारी 12.5 कोटी रुपया म्हणून 12.5 करोड हे फक्त जुमलेबाजी जुमला हे लोकांक हांव अपील करता सारखे वचोन थिंगा जे पण इश्यू आहे हेल्था इश्यू आहे पोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल इश्यू आहे रस्त्या इश्यू आहे थिंगा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू आहे सो मुखेलमंत्री फक्त हे जुमलेबाजी करपाक थिंगा फाल्यां वयतलो लोकांक स्वताचे पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न कांयच केल्लो नाही सरकार 4 आमदार आशिल्ले पोंडाच्या डिस्ट्रिक्टाक एकलो आमचो सर्व्हिस बाब रवी नायक ना तोच चोयता वयरचो कितें चलत काय म्हणून आनी आज हे जे पण सरकार तुमच्या दारी पण जालो आहा आनी थिंगा चिंबे लोक आहा थिंगाय वचनाय मरे सरकार तुमच्या दारी थिंग कितें वचना मुखेलमंत्री आनी हुई प्रोटेस्ट आहा थिंग कितें वचना तेगे घरा कितें वचना हिंगा कितें वयता सो दिस इज एन इलेक्शन गिमिक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुव्हल कोट्यांनी रुपयाची लूट आणि अंडर दिस लूट दे आर बेसिकली कमिशन under this commission they are going there using public money and they are unable to resolve all these issues. इसलिए ये अंत्योदया सर्वोदया हे सगळे लोकांक खबर आहा आनी हे सगळी फोटिंग पडा सांगपाक आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की पोंडाचो लोक will change and make sure that this government is exposed will remain with us.
मांडवीक आता सगळ्यांच्याकय व्हडलो कॅसिनो येता सो सीएमाक ताका अप्रुव्हल दिला हाजेर ऑपोजिशन म्हणून तुम्ही कितें हें घेतलो
I already spoke. These are projects that are polluting the river Mandovi. River Mandovi today 50% of the is polluted. Tinga sogle पडया waste sota. Sogle पडया enka ingache they have no moral right. But Dr. Pramod Sawant loves them. Up to March 2027, he has given them an extension. The state government has given an extension. When I asked him in the assembly, after March, will you throw it out? Aspalagano. So we are very clear. This is not in the interest of the state. This is not what Goa. Ye goinchi parampara, ye goinchi dance, ye goinchi culture. Yeah, I inshallah mare Mukhyamantri gade. Is this what we want? And what is happening there? Are we creating Goa to be another Las Vegas, another Sin City? कितें दाखोवन दिता थिंगा नॅशनल कॅपिटल आयल म्हणटरीच सो डेफिनेटली दीस टायप ऑफ इश्यूज जेन्ना काडाचे लँडाचे कन्वर्जन काडा लँड वॉज गिवन टू गिविंग पर्टिक्युलर एरिया 3 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ऑफ कमांड एरिया टुडे वॉज डिनोटिफाईड विदाउट टेकिंग द काडा बट वी रेज दिस इश्यू